Hello, good afternoon. This is Bhuyan again. We are right now in keonjhar district, that is in Bodghagra. There is a water dam where right now it is around 4 o'clock, but it's sunset time. So I'm showing you the place, the huge dam, and just see. When the sunset point, no? Just come see. This irrigation department has constructed this.
Cap on the cap in the cap in the cap in the stove.
Beautiful, see, beautiful sight, amazing spectacular view of the sunset time. See, the reflection of the sun is falling on the dam water. I just close this. To reach this place from Bhuyan side is 220 kilometers. Bhuyan to Keonjhar. Keonjhar we have a train communication, bus communication. Even Vande Bharat is coming from Bhubaneswar, so you can come over here. For the outsider, they can come the flight to Bhubaneswar. Bhubaneswar they can catch a train, and there is no flight facility over here. So definitely they have to take a private taxi, or they can come by bus. Good buses are coming, AC bus, non-AC bus, and comfortable luxury buses are coming. So you can come over here, and the good hotels are there in Keonjhar. We are putting up with the OTDC, Odisha Tourism Development Corporations. The hotel is in a beautiful place, but it's not in that good condition. I think the new government has come. I think he will take over and he will definitely upgrade the condition of the rooms and other things. And food we get it here is very, very homely food. There's no problem about it. And from Keonjhar town you have to this road from Keonjhar to Raulkela road, and we have to one hill from it is only 4-5 kilometers from Keonjhar town. Have a nice day, and you all come and stay here, enjoy the beauty of this dam. Next from here we'll go to that waterfall, Bodghagra waterfall. There is another waterfall, there is a Sun Ghagra. Okay, have a nice day, stay happy and stay tuned for my next video.